GOT channels. GOT2000 series VNC server function introduction. When a problem occurs remotely, can it take a lot of time and effort to check the situation on site? GOT remote solutions solve this problem. Even if operators do not go on site, access to the GOT from a computer or tablet can be realized. This enables easier checking of parameters and errors that can occur remotely. 3 remote solutions for the GOT exist. This video explains the VNC server functionality. Let's check the actual operation of the VNC server function. With this function, the GOT screen can be viewed and switched from a computer or tablet as a VNC client. Operators do not need to create a display screen data for the computer or tablet. Only the VNC server function, which is one of the GOT remote solutions, enables viewing and screen switching for the functions such as the utility main menu and the sequence program monitor. Are there any issues caused by simultaneous operation of the GOT on-site in the computer remotely? We have a solution. Simultaneous operation is restricted by displaying the remote device as now an operation message on the GOT screen while it is being accessed remotely from the computer. While the computer is holding the authorization, the operation on the GOT cannot be performed. To operate the GOT, touch the center of the message window located at the bottom of the screen. The authorization can be switched between the GOT and the computer. To change the location of the message window, touch the left corner of the window. The message window is movable to the top, center, or bottom in that sequence. The GOT screen can be viewed and switched from the tablet as well as the computer. In this video, a wireless LAN communication unit is used as an option. These are the system configuration examples of the VNC server function. One is connecting the GOT in the computer using an Ethernet cable. Another one is connecting the GOT in the tablet via wireless LAN. The VNC server function enables you to check the GOT located on-site while enabling easier troubleshooting from a remote location.